Welcome to Travel the World with Brandon. Today's destination: Italy. History, landmarks, and hidden gems. When you think of Italy, what comes to mind? Sun-drenched coastlines, endless bowls of fresh pasta, ancient gladiators, or maybe a Ferrari tearing down a winding road. While all of that is true, Italy is way remarkable, older, and more impressive than your average travel brochure lets on. From country within a country microstates to unwritten rules about coffee that can get you side-eyed by locals, this is the side of Italy you didn't learn in history class. Let me ask you a quick trivia question. How many countries exist inside Italy's borders? If you said one, you're close. It's actually two. Most people know about Vatican City, the smallest independent state in the world, sitting right in the middle of Rome. But nestled in the Apennine Mountains is San Marino, the world's oldest surviving sovereign republic, founded in 301. Geographically, Italy is also Europe's hotspot for active volcanoes. Sicily's Mount Etna is one of the most active volcanoes on Earth, with eruptions documented continuously for over 3,000 years. It's no secret that Italy has history, but did you know it literally holds the world record for it? As of 2026, Italy leads the world with 61 official UNESCO World Heritage Sites, narrowly beating out China. From prehistoric rock carvings in Lombardy to the entire historic center of Florence, walking through Italy is quite literally walking through an open-air museum. If you attended college, thank Italy. The University of Bologna, founded in 1088, is the oldest continuously operating university in the world. That means students were attending lectures there over a century before the formation of the Aztec Empire. We give the Romans credit for roads, aqueducts, and concrete, but Italians didn't stop innovating when the empire fell. A staggering number of modern everyday items were invented right here in Italy. Eyeglasses, invented in northern Italy around the late 13th century. The piano, Bartolomeo Cristofori created the first piano in Florence around the year 1700. The battery, Alessandro Volta created the first modern electric battery in 1800, which is why we measure electrical potential in volts. The espresso machine, built in Turin by Angelo Moriondo in 1884 CE to speed up coffee breaks for factory workers. Now, we can't talk about Italy without talking about food, but Italian food culture comes with a very real set of unwritten rules. For example, cappuccino is strictly a morning drink. Ordering a milky cappuccino after 11 a.m. or following a full meal is seen as a major culinary sin because locals believe warm milk disrupts digestion after a heavy lunch or dinner. Before we go, here are two quick and wonderfully unusual facts. In the Abruzzo region, there is a public free wine fountain, Fontana del Vino, that runs 24/7 for travelers along a local pilgrimage path. In Rome, stray cats have legally protected rights as biocultural heritage. Over 300,000 cats roam the city, and cats are legally allowed to live undisturbed anywhere ancient ruins stand. So, whether you're visiting for the ancient history, the volcanic landscapes, or just a free glass of wine on a visit, Italy is full of surprises. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join us as we continue exploring the world's most amazing destinations. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adventure.